Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1959 Triumph TR3A convertible. Well, actually a Roadster. It's a side curtain car. I mean, rarely do we come across cars this nice. This is a true, total nut and bolt, ground up, body off the chassis restoration. British racing green, tan leather, chrome wire wheels, overdrive, adjustable steering, luggage rack. I mean, it's just the holy grail color combo for a TR3A. And this is just the recent recipient of, like I said, a ground up body off the chassis restoration. The previous seller was an older gentleman, built this car for himself to keep forever. And no expense spared. There's like $65,000 spent on this car. So that's just the cost to do one of these nowadays, parts and labor professionally, 65 to 80 grand. So this is just an absolutely fresh mint example of a TR3A, British racing green, tan leather, tan weather equipment, fog lamps, Dayton wire wheels, Vredestein tires, and just a super good car, professionally done. So let's take a look at this interior. Everything absolutely brand new, rebuilt instruments, new wiring harness, leather trimmed seats with the back seat option in leather. But just an absolute knockout of a car. Super good body with show quality bare metal body and paint work. All the chrome's new, all the rubber's new. The fit and finish of this car is exceptional. New. So excellent fit and finish here. Beautifully trimmed interior. All the right materials. Everflex weather equipment. Top tonneau, top boot. There's the side curtain set over there that fit beautifully. Chrome luggage rack. In here, it's just chock full of extras and spares here. So really lovely car. We're gonna take a look at this car's show quality engine compartment. Have a look at the undercarriage photos, and you can see that all the under chassis, brake, suspension, steering, driveline was completely rebuilt. Overdrive gearbox that works great. I've taken this on a drive, and it's a superb performing TR3 here. So as you can see in here, you know, new wiring harness, all new electricals, just no stone left unturned. Alternator fitted, high torque starter. There's a heat shield that's been fitted. So really lovely car with upgrades. Let me just lock this hood down again. Yeah, the fit and finish of this car is just super good here. So, but yeah, try buying and building a TR3 to this exquisite top condition, and you'll quickly realize you're spending, you know, $60,000 or more. So this car is very well priced for what it is. But take a look at those undercarriage photos. This is our spectacular 1959 Triumph TR3A Roadster, finished in this handsome dark British racing green, tan leather interior, tan top boot, tonneau cover, side curtain set, 60 spoke stainless Dayton wire wheels, Vredestein radials, 4-speed with overdrive, chrome luggage rack. Look no further. This is just kind of the holy grail of color schemes here for a TR3, and you can see why #1 desired color scheme. And this car is for sale right now on our website. You just can't cut the corners and get a better car than this for the money. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.